Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by proving ownership in Google Search Console and picking a preferred domain. This lets Google accept your changes. Next, edit the page title tag on your home page and site-wide templates so the new name appears where Google reads it. Once done, update the meta description and header logo so signals match. Make sure internal links and navigation use the new name. Consistent on-site signals speed up recognition. After changing title tags, update and upload your sitemap. XML then submit it in Search Console to tell Google what changed. Use the URL inspection tool on your homepage and other important pages and request indexing so crawlers revisit sooner. Also, add or update organization and website structured data and confirm canonical tags point to the correct pages. This helps Google correctly display the new site. You finish by monitoring Search Console for indexing status and performance changes to see when the new name appears. If your site has a knowledge panel or Google Business Profile, update those entries so public signals match. Be patient. Changes can take days to weeks. If you don't see updates, re-request indexing and recheck structured data for errors. Troubleshooting tip. If the old name persists, search your site and backlinks for remnants of the old title and fix them to avoid mixed signals.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.